Yes.
Oh, I will never forget that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Backpacker Tampan. So today, as you can see in the title, we're gonna go on another adventure today. We're gonna photo hunt with Romeo. That is...
Dude.
Woke up late.
I know. Yeah, bad start.
You should introduce yourself later.
Yes.
In a waterfall.
Somewhere cool.
So yeah, I was here like an hour ago, but luckily I met these two guys. This guy is Moritz, Andy. Okay, should we go? Ready?
Right.
Let's go. It's gonna be like an hour drive, so wish us luck. Okay, after 1 hour cold drive I call it, finally arrived here at the Nung-nung waterfall. And yeah, that's a good thing about Instagram. It makes you wake up in early morning and drive miles away to get a dope shot. All for
Shot.
likes. Oh my god, this is amazing! Holy moly, truly beauty. That is massive, that's insane. This is like one of the biggest waterfall in Bali I have ever seen. Oh, how's it going, my friend? We haven't know you yet, so you gotta introduce yourself.
Okay guys, so my name is Luke, Romeo Romes on Instagram. Just finished university and I'm trying to travel as much as I can. Sites like this is why I travel here.
You guys probably already know that the good framing for Instagram is just like standing right in the middle of the object, but I think we're kinda have an idea to use this leaf as the framing. Look at this. This is what I do to make the character in it. So yeah, I would love to look like a Mowgli, like a jungle boy. So yeah, I did that. Bad news that our memory card is full. That's the thing. You have to prepare before you go to this kind of place. I really love it here. Holy moly, I love Bali. Oh, that's a good line. Holy moly, I love Bali. Waterfall mission done successfully. We're gonna show you the before and after our photo shoot today. This is supposed to be fun.
Cardio.
We're going back to Canggu and have a little breakfast there, and then we're gonna continue the journey to other place, shooting other dope shot. I'll see you guys in Canggu.
Sounds good.
Okay, by the way, how low your voice can be?
Well, how low can mine be?
Yeah,
sort of changes, so.
Name is Big Stone Beach. And by the way, if you guys ever come here, please do bring your trash home and eat it, not leave it here. It's disgusting. And by the way, that's the legendary palm tree where a lot of Instagrammers come and take picture. Get the likes! Okay, Romeo is over there, ready to post there. Oh, not there. Look how epic it is. Oh my holy moly, I love Bali. And our Romeo here trying to get a drone shot.
Okay guys, we've just finished our photo shoot down here on the beach.
You're here.
Pardon? Okay guys, we just finished up the photo shoot down here on the beach. These are our before and after pictures.
Can you say it louder?
Okay guys, we've just finished up our photo shoot here on the beach. Here's our before and after shots.
Okay guys, that is all for today. As you can see, taking picture for Instagram is not as easy as you thought. Thank you so much for watching, and I would recommend you to follow this guy because this guy is very talented. Check Instagram, link down below, YouTube, link down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys in other adventure.
Take care.
Bye.